Vanakkam, I'm Bala, and welcome back to Tamil Wellness Journey. Today, we're diving into the world of fermented foods and their incredible power to boost gut health. These foods are packed with probiotics, which are your gut's best friend. Probiotics are live, beneficial bacteria that help keep your digestive system healthy. Fermented foods are an excellent source of these probiotics. They improve digestion, boost immunity, and balance your gut microbiome. Now let's talk about how to easily add fermented foods into your daily meals. Add yogurt to breakfast. A bowl of yogurt with fruits or nuts is a great way to start your day. Snack on pickles. Enjoy pickles as a snack for a probiotic boost. Eat kimchi as a side dish. Add kimchi to your meals for extra flavor and health benefits. Blend kefir into smoothies. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that can be easily added to your smoothies for a probiotic punch. Add sauerkraut to sandwiches. Sauerkraut is a tangy addition to sandwiches and provides a good dose of probiotics. Let me know in the comments how you plan to include them in your meals, and don't forget to hit subscribe, follow, and tap the bell icon for more natural health tips. Remember, consistency is key. Including these foods regularly can make a big difference in your gut health. Nandri, Vanakkam, see you in the next video. And don't forget, making your own fermented foods at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. Try making your own kimchi or yogurt at home to ensure you're getting the freshest and most beneficial probiotics. Sharing these homemade delights with family and friends can also be a great way to spread the health benefits. So start incorporating these probiotic-rich foods into your diet today and feel the difference in your gut health. Nandri, Vanakkam. See you in the next video.